Welcome to our class of Precalculus. Today I will to teach you the power property of the logarithms. Very easy and simple class. Very simple class. All right. Okay. So welcome. We have one problem here. Expand the logarithm of log 5 with the base 2. Okay. To solve this problem, it is very important to know what is the rule. What is the rule for work with the logarithms? I mean, for the power property of the logarithms. So power property of logarithms. This is not good. Of logarithms. This means the rule when you write it something like this. Just write it log b. I mean log m to the n power with the base b. This is equals this very simple rule equals n log m with the base b, right? This is the rule. Where here some where b and m are positive, and b is different of 1. This is actually this is the rule. Very important. You need to keep in your mind. You need to memorize this rule. Remember, a lot of rules. The last class we have to learn it. So this is one rule. I will to write again some another rule that I already learned before. So another one that we have to remember is a power. This is a product. Another one, product property. Product property of the logarithm. This rule that just I will remember this is equals log m with the base b plus log n, right? Here is equals log, look at this, mn with the base b. This is here where m and n and b are positive. So are positive. Also b, it is different of 1. Okay, this is another rule that I already learned. I will teach you. This is a product property. Another one I would like to remember. This is very important right now. We are studying the properties of the logarithms. Another one is quotient. There's a quotient property. Quotient property. What I mean this? So this property means like log m to the base b minus log n with the base b equals, here is a log, here is a division, quotient m divided by n, right, with the base b. Okay, here here's where m and b are positive, and b is different of 1. So just for remember these kind of properties before to solve our problem. So if this is the rules. So in the property, like I told you, I would like to write in the corner this property. So it's like a log with a mn to the n power with the base b. This is equals n log m with the base b, right? That's this kind of rule we have to memorize. And remember, mathematics, a lot of rules that we have to memorize, right? In this case, but right now we have to remember at least understand what I mean. This kind the rule, okay? This property. All right, we have this problem. It's very simple, class. Very easy. It's not difficult. So right now, just solve. Let's solve the problem. Okay, the first step is expand the logarithm. How expand the logarithm? We have log 5 to the base 2. So this is equals, very easy, equals, he will be equals 5 log 2, right? Log 2, this is a power property. Straight the power property, right? So this is the answer. Let me show you another problem. This today is not just very simple. Let's do another problem. Let's write expand the logarithm of log 7. Log 7 with the base 2. Okay. So this is equals very simple. Equals 7. I would like to write here 7, and then log 2. Log 2. All right. So that's it. This is power. This means this power property. See, very simple class for Precalculus. All right, you discover the power of the mathematics, at least your infinity potential. Thank you.